Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jaron Breen. I am a meteorology major at Pennsylvania State University. I'm here to brief you on the severe weather outbreak that is expected across portions of the Midwest tonight. This is the SPC's Day 1 Convective Outlook issued about an hour and a half ago. The next one will be issued at 3 p.m. If you live from St. Louis to central Ohio, down to Atlanta, southeastward to Jackson, Mississippi, and along the Mississippi River back up to St. Louis, you are in a moderate risk of severe weather. If you live in parts of the northern half of this area, i.e. the central Ohio Valley and the northern Tennessee Valley, you are under a high risk of severe weather, according to the SPC. Here's the severe weather outlook. Probabilities for tornadoes. If you live in the Hatch area, you're likely to see tornadoes rated EF2 or higher, and the high risk of severe weather in the convective outlook corresponds to the 30% risk of tornadoes. Here is the Storm Prediction Center's probability outlook for wind. Basically the same areas that are under the risk, moderate risk and high risk for tornadoes are going to get the winds. The definition of wind for a severe thunderstorm is greater than 55 miles an hour, and significant wind in the hatched area is greater than 75 miles per hour. And this is the hail outlook. Hail 2 inches in diameter or larger is expected for the hatched area that is significant severe, from basically the western Ohio River down to northern Mississippi. If you live in the 45% risk, that is a moderate risk for hail. That definition of hail in the severe category is an inch or greater in diameter, which was revised in January of 2 years ago. The current watches issued by the Storm Prediction Center as of less than an hour ago. The red box is our tornado watches, and the blue boxes are severe thunderstorm watches. The places in the northern red box is under a particularly dangerous situation tornado watch, which means violent tornadoes strong and violent tornadoes are likely in those areas. This is as of half an hour ago, this is the current radar showing thunderstorms, strong ones, severe thunderstorms actually, east of St. Louis, and also thunderstorms in eastern Tennessee and eastern Kentucky. There's a lot of rain also north of this, and also behind the cold front, and I'll show you the map in a second. This is the forecast output from the Rapid Update Cycle model, a very useful short-term model, showing the line of thunderstorms expected to form from western Texas, eastern Texas, all the way up to portions of the Ohio Valley. This is the forecast at 3 p.m. today, in about less than 2 hours from now. You can see the low that is responsible for this weather is located due south of Chicago, just north of Bowling Green, Kentucky, and due west, east of St. Louis and west of Indianapolis. Here is the forecast output from the same model, the RUC, at 3 p.m. for the 500 millibar heights and vorticity now. The vort max that's near St. Louis is the X, right? You can see the X. This is a very strong vort maximum, which provides the energy for the low pressure system that I showed you just now. This is the 3 p.m. hour forecast from the Rapid Update Cycle once again. This is the jet stream level at 250 millibars. You want to divide the jet streak into 4 quadrants. The left exit region of the jet streak, which is now located right above that low, is favorable for enhanced upper level divergence, which strengthens the surface low. This was also a key feature Jet streak was a key feature in the 1993 superstorm, which caused the low to quote-unquote bomb out, i.e. strengthen right along the eastern seaboard back in '93. I'd like to thank everyone for listening to this video. My name once again is Jaron Brain. For those of you who are in the moderate and high risk areas shown earlier, please take precautions. Get your disaster kit at ready.gov. There'll be a couple of links, but you can click on them. And please take shelter when there is a warning, and have a battery-powered NOAA weather radio with you so that you can receive any and all watches and warnings as they update. Have a great evening, and please stay safe.